Most contractors lose money in construction software because their systems don't communicate properly. Here's the truth no one tells you. Even good estimating software becomes frustrating when accounting workflows stay disconnected. That's why one of the biggest questions residential builders ask in 2026 is this: does BuildXact integrate with QuickBooks? And the short answer is yes. But here's where it gets interesting. The real question is not just whether the integration exists. It's whether the integration actually saves time and reduces operational headaches in real-world use. In this video, I'll explain exactly how BuildXact integrates with QuickBooks, what the integration actually does, the biggest mistake contractors make when setting it up, and whether it's truly worth using for residential construction businesses. And later, I'll show you the hidden workflow issue many contractors discover too late after connecting accounting software. So let's get straight into it. First, yes, BuildXact does integrate with QuickBooks. That's one reason many residential builders consider the platform seriously. Because estimating and accounting are deeply connected in construction businesses. If those systems stay disconnected, problems show up fast. Now imagine Jake creates estimates manually in one system, but tracks invoices separately in accounting software. Immediately, several issues appear. Duplicate data entry, pricing inconsistencies, invoice confusion, budget mismatches. That creates operational chaos quickly. Now here's where things get interesting. The goal of integration is not just convenience. It's operational accuracy. That's the real value. BuildXact can help sync project and financial information with QuickBooks, so contractors spend less time manually transferring data between systems. That matters enormously for small and mid-sized builders. But here's the problem. Many contractors think integration means everything automatically works perfectly. That's not how construction workflows operate. This is where most people fail. Software integrations still require clean processes, consistent workflows, and proper setup. Otherwise, bad data simply moves faster between systems. Now in a minute, I'll show you the hidden mistake contractors make during setup that causes major reporting problems later. But first, let's continue. So what does the BuildXact and QuickBooks integration actually help with? Typically, estimates, invoices, purchase orders, job costs, and financial tracking workflows become more connected. That reduces repetitive manual work significantly. Now imagine Alex manages several residential remodel projects simultaneously. Without integration, the office team may constantly re-enter customer data, invoice information, and project costs manually. That wastes time and increases error risk every week. Connected workflows can reduce much of that friction. That's where the integration creates real operational value. Now here's where things get interesting again. The biggest benefit is often visibility. Builders can understand project profitability more clearly when estimating and accounting systems communicate properly. That operational visibility matters hugely in 2026. Because many contractors still struggle tracking actual job costs, profit margins, and budget performance accurately. Now let's discuss QuickBooks specifically. Many residential builders already use QuickBooks because it's familiar and widely adopted. That's important. Contractors usually prefer software fitting into existing workflows rather than replacing everything completely. That's one reason BuildXact integration matters. It helps builders modernize operations without rebuilding accounting systems from scratch. Now here's the problem. Some contractors expect software integration to automatically fix messy bookkeeping habits. It will not. This is where most implementation problems begin. Now, imagine John's company has inconsistent expense categories, messy invoice workflows, and unclear job costing processes. Even with integration, reporting accuracy still suffers. Because software can only organize what businesses track consistently. That's an important reality many people ignore. Now here's the hidden setup mistake I mentioned earlier. Incorrect mapping between project categories and accounting categories. This creates reporting confusion later. especially when builders start analyzing profitability. That's why setup matters enormously. Good implementation saves massive frustration later. Now in a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to evaluate whether this integration is actually worth it for your business. But first, let's continue. Another major advantage involves reducing duplicate work. Construction businesses already deal with subcontractors, change orders, material pricing, and scheduling pressure. Nobody wants extra administrative work on top of that. Integrated workflows reduce repetitive tasks significantly. That operational efficiency creates real value over time. Now here's where things get interesting. The builders benefiting most from software integrations are usually companies already committed to organized workflows. That's the key. Software amplifies systems already in place. It does not magically create operational discipline. Now let's answer another practical question. Is the BuildXact and QuickBooks integration difficult to use? For many residential contractors, it's relatively approachable compared to larger enterprise systems. That simplicity matters. Because complicated implementation often destroys software adoption quickly. Now imagine a small remodeling company with limited office staff. Easy onboarding becomes extremely important. If workflows feel overwhelming, teams stop using systems properly. That's why usability matters so much. Now here's another hidden factor. Real-time financial awareness. When estimates and accounting connect properly, contractors can understand project financial performance faster. That visibility helps businesses adjust pricing, control costs, and protect margins more effectively. Those operational improvements matter hugely over time. Now here's where things get interesting again. Construction software is increasingly less about standalone tools and more about connected operational ecosystems. Builders want 1. Estimating, accounting, project management, and communication systems working together smoothly. That trend is accelerating quickly in 2026. Now let's answer the big question directly. Is the BuildXact and QuickBooks integration worth using? For many residential builders, yes. Especially contractors wanting less manual work, better financial visibility, and cleaner project workflows. But the integration works best when businesses already maintain organized accounting and operational processes. That part matters enormously. Now before we finish, let's summarize clearly. Yes, BuildXact integrates with QuickBooks. The integration can reduce duplicate work, improve financial visibility, and streamline estimating to accounting workflows for residential builders. But successful integration still depends on clean setup, consistent workflows, and operational discipline. So, now here's the biggest takeaway. Software integration is not just about convenience. It's about reducing operational friction across your business. That's where the real value comes from. So here's the bottom line. If your construction business already uses QuickBooks and you want estimating and accounting systems connected more efficiently, BuildXact can absolutely help streamline workflows. But the smartest contractors focus equally on process organization and software setup, not just the integration feature itself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which construction software you're currently using right now. And if you want, I can also show you the easiest way to organize construction job costing in QuickBooks next.